Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Cisco Pocket Tracer for free on your Windows 10 and 11. So let's start the video. First of all, open your browser and here type netacad.com and click enter to go to their official website. This is the official website for the Cisco Pocket Tracer. This is the website, as you can see, and here all you have to do is scroll down and find this option, getting started with Cisco Pocket Tracer. Click that option to open, and after that here you can see you can choose different kind of language. You can choose English, Spanish, Portuguese, and all of that, but I'm gonna select the English and select get started with self paste. Click it, and here you have to create an account to log into it. You can either use your Google account, or you if you have a previous account, you can simply just type the email or create a new account by simply clicking this Google, and your account will be created based on your existing Google account. So I'm gonna click login and give the password again because I already have an account. And after that, it will bring you to this page, and all you have to do is click this option, resume codes, or if you see the get the codes option, just click that option. Then it will bring you to this page, and it is saying download Cisco Pocket Tracer, and here you can see download and use Cisco Pocket Tracers on the what laptop that you screen. And simply all you have to do is click this link, and after that scroll down, and here you can see three options for three different operating system: Mac OS, Ubuntu, and Windows. As I'm downloading it for the Windows operating system, I'm gonna just click this one, and as you can see the download is already started. So after finishing the download, go to the containing folder option. I'm going to minimize the browser here, and this is the downloaded file. To install it, all I have to do is double click it. And if you are using Microsoft Store, this widget will pop up because they don't allow any software beside from their store. So they are just gonna ask the permission to install it anyway. So I'm gonna click that one option here, select yes, and now select I agree the agreement and select next. And you can change the folder of destination, but I'm gonna keep it as it is and select next again and select next. And I'm gonna select this create a desktop shortcut and create a quick launch shortcut again and select next again, select install. And as you can see, the installation process has begun. So I have to wait for it to finish. It will take a few minutes to completely install on your PC. So you have to wait a couple of minutes for that. As you can see, the installation is finished. I'm going to click the finish option here and minimize this one. And here you can see the Cisco Pocket Tracer is here. So I'm going to click it to open. As you can see, the Cisco Pocket Tracer is now opening for the first time in my PC. I'm going to click allow access, and here I'm going to select login, and it will confirm my account after select the login option with the already created account. Here it is. Select the login option here, select back, and here it is. It will verify it, and you can see you have successfully logged into the Cisco Pocket Tracer. And I'm going to close the tab and go to the Cisco here, and here it is. Now you can use the Cisco Pocket Tracer as you liking, do all the simulation and networking. And that is it for today's video. I hope this will be a helpful video for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.